Okay, Garage. Please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is the first time I show my face on this platform. So I'm here to do a video about how to test a spark plug wire to check the resistance of a spark plug. Whether the spark plug wire is good or not. We are going to check the resistance by using of multimeter to do that. And this is Kia. So to watch out the video, please subscribe, like, and share the video. It's okay, Garage. There is a video of how to test spark plug wire with a multimeter. This is a short one, and this is a long one. So we are going to measure it, test it, how the short and long its resistance is. So you take the short one here, then set a probe. Take a short one, set a probe here, then another one, check the resistance. So it's 2000, 2.47 as 2000. So yeah, this one is good to go because it depends the specification of the stock product manufacturer. So this one is good to go. So let's check the whether there's a brake. You can see there's no brake. If there's brake, it will go off. So this one there's no brake and it's good to go. So it's good, but sometimes some manufacturers you can measure, you can test it and get 3,000, 5,000, 7,000. So this one 2,000. So this one is good. And let's check the long one too. The long one too is here. Its resistance. I'm checking the resistance. So here and then here. So this is it. And this one too, the long one is 3,000. So it depends the length of it. It depends the length of it, the travel, the resistance. It depends. So it's this one is 3,000. Alright, it's 3,000. Let's take the brake, and there's no brake. If there's brake, it will go off. So this spark plug wire is better. It's better manufacturer. That's a better one. Manufacturer spark plug wire and is good of its resistance. So to check the resistance of spark plug wire, if it is good or bad, then you use the multimeter here, place to ohms, then you measure it by using this probes. You measure it and good. If it is more than or it breaks, if it breaks and it's less than 2,000, that means it's not good. So this one is good, and after checking it, it breaks, and it's you check it and it breaks, or the measurements go off. That means there's a fault inside this. So this AK, gonna subscribe to my YouTube channel and help the web improvements. More comments, like, share for me. Thank you very much.